In the last class, I explained 25 name reaction with the help of 6 video. Now start 26th name reaction, which is Rosenmund reaction. 26th name reaction, Rosenmund reaction or reduction. This reaction is also known as Rosenmund reduction or Rosenmund reaction. In these reaction, aliphatic or aromatic aliphatic or aromatic aldehyde is obtained. Aliphatic or aromatic aldehyde is obtained. In it we use, suppose, acetyl chloride CH3COCl undergo reduction. रिडक्शन हो रहा है. रिडक्शन मीन्स क्या होगा? हाइड्रोजन का एडिशन और ऑक्सीजन का रिमूवल. तो अंडरगो रिडक्शन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पैलेडियम. हियर बैरियम सल्फेट poison the reaction because excess of palladium avoid the prevention of aldehyde. So here barium sulfate is used as a catalyst which poison the activity of palladium. In that case, what we get? This Cl is replaced by 1H plus and this 1H is combined to that carbon CH3 C double bond OH. These give aliphatic aldehyde. But this is acetyl chloride. But in the case of benzoyl chloride C6H5COCl, same catalyst and reduction in the presence of hydrogen. What we get? C6H5 C double bond OH, that is aromatic aldehyde. It is known as acetaldehyde. This is known as benzaldehyde. Okay. So Rosenmund reduction is the name reaction for the preparation of aliphatic or aromatic aldehyde. Now 27th name reaction, that is Stephan reaction. That is Stephan's reaction. In these reaction also aldehyde is obtained. Stephan reaction is also known as Stephan reduction. So again, in this reaction or reduction, hydrogen is added or oxygen is removed. In that case, we use nitrile. Nitrile is also known as cyanide. So alkyl cyanide here we use as a reactant, undergo reduction in the presence of SnCl2. Stannous chloride undergo reduction in the presence of SnCl2. Here we use hydrogen for reduction. In acidic medium, the reaction is take place. So what happen? These triple bonded carbon contain one hydrogen in the form of reduction. So one hydrogen goes to this carbon and one hydrogen goes to nitrogen. When carbon is bonded to the nitrogen through double bond, then this compound is known as imine. Okay, here one bond and here also one bond. Okay, now when imine undergo, these imine R, C double bond and single bond H undergo hydrolysis. It means reaction with water. So what happen? These hydrolysis proceed in that way. These water molecule may be written as in the form, water molecule has band shape, V shape. मैंने इस band shape को ऐसे represent करा है. So what happen? These RCHO combine with oxygen. Here nitrogen carbon, how many bonds are broken? 2 bond. These 2 bond broken combine with oxygen and convert into double bond. So the product is aldehyde. Along with these, one nitrogen having how many hydrogen? 1, 2 and 3, NH3. In some books here also we use HCl. These HCl is added as present in the imine as a byproduct. Along after that, when the HCl is present here, this HCl also present here, then in that case NH4Cl is obtained. Both the reaction is same, no difference, only main product is aldehyde in these name reaction. Now next name reaction is Ullmann reaction. Ullmann reaction. In the case of fatigue reaction, we consider haloarenes along with sodium. Haloarene fused with sodium and gives biphenyl or diphenyl. Similarly, in the case of Ullmann reaction, we also get biphenyl or diphenyl. Biphenyl or diphenyl. But in that case, Ullmann reaction, in the case of fatigue reaction, we used sodium metal, but in this reaction we used copper metal. Along with that, in that case of fatigue reaction, we used haloarene may be whatever, but in that case particularly we used idobenzene. Here also idobenzene. These reactions take place in a sealed tube. So copper iodide is a form as byproduct. Copper iodide, CuI. Along with that, what we get? Biphenyl or diphenyl. Okay. Now next name reaction 29 is Rimmer-Tiemann reaction. In this reaction, salicylic aldehyde is obtained. To start the reaction, we consider phenol. Along with chloroform. CHCl3. In basic medium means presence of NaOH or KOH. So what happened? This sodium is replaced by phenol hydrogen. It means this sodium occupy the position of that hydrogen, ONA. One hydrogen from that side, and here also one oxygen, and one hydrogen is replaced from that side. So how many hydrogen we get? 1, 2 and 1 from that side, 3 hydrogen. 3 hydrogen is replaced by 3 chlorine. तो किसका removal हो जाएगा? 3 HCl. Here now what is left? CH. Along with CH, one oxygen is also present. So here CHO group is attached. Now on reaction with acid, H+. On reaction with acid, this sodium metal is replaced. So benzene along with OH and CHO, this compound is known as salicylic aldehyde. Now next 30 name reaction is haloform reaction. When in these reaction, अब haloform reaction में क्या होगा? When ketone or aldehyde treated with halogen, in presence of NaOH or KOH. Please note ratio for these reaction is 1:3:4. It is very easy to overcome these reaction or complete these reaction. So what happen for one ratio के लिए मैंने एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन में से मैं यहाँ पे कंसीडर कर रही हूँ एल्डिहाइड, CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड O, ये एल्डिहाइड हो जाएगा. ओके यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन है, एक ऑक्सीजन है और एक कार्बन है. यदि इस हाइड्रोजन की जगह कार्बन होता तो ये कौन सा ग्रुप कहलाता? कीटोन. अभी एल्डिहाइड है क्योंकि यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है. अब मैंने बोला था हेलोजन, तो हेलोजन के मैंने यहाँ पे ले लिया आयोडीन, और आयोडीन के रेशो कितना बोला था? 3. तो ये 3 ले लिया. कौन सा मीडियम है? बेसिक मीडियम. KOH या NaOH लेना है तो मैंने NaOH ले लिया. रेशो क्या है? 4. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिख दिया? 4. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? यहाँ पे 3 I है और 3 Na, तो सबसे पहले तो क्या बन जाएगा? 3 NaI. ये सिंपल हो गया. अब हेलोफॉर्म को मैंने अभी बताया था क्लोरोफॉर्म, जैसे अपन ने यहाँ पे लिया तो इसको क्लोरोफॉर्म बोला है. क्या बोला है इसको? क्लोरोफॉर्म। अब यहाँ पे आयोडीन लिया है तो क्या बनेगा, आइडोफॉर्म। आइडोफॉर्म यदि बन रहा है तो क्या यूज़ होगा, CH3। अब आयोडीन 6 थे, 6 में से 3 यहाँ पे आ गए, 3 यहाँ पे आ गए। सोडियम अपने पास 4 थे, 3 तो यहाँ पे यूज़ हो गए, एक सोडियम बना है तो एक बन जाएगा HCOO Na। एक सोडियम जो लेफ्ट है उसका क्या बन जाएगा, HCOONA, CH3। और एक और किसका एलिमिनेशन हो जाएगा, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन वी स्टडी इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो।